The 3 questions to ask when starting a blog that makes money. So you have decided to start your own blog. Congratulations! You are making the first step on the road to freedom. The most important question to ask is, what do you want to do with your blogs? Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the 3 questions to ask when starting a blog that makes money. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Do you want to make money from AdSense? Do you want to sell products or services? Do you want to offer your own products or services? Do you want to write a blog or do you want to outsource the work to someone else? The answer to all of these questions is going to be determined by how much time and effort you are willing to invest. One thing to remember is that you can spend more time on making money with your blog than you spend on actually building it. There are always going to be people who want to make money on the internet. The key is to provide them with something that they want to read and something that they can contact you about. The better your blog's content is, the more contact you will have with the person. The more time you spend on creating your blog, the more time and money you will make. The more blogs you start, the more money you will make. So how do you make money with your blogs? There are many ways to do this. The easiest way to make money with your blog is to sell ad space. Every website owner has thought about trying to sell their ad space. If you have not yet started, then this is one of the best ways to make money with your blog right away. The second way is by promoting others' products on your blog. You don't want to try to sell your own products on your blog. This can be tricky because some companies are not trustworthy. There are companies that will pay you to promote their products. If you don't want to take this route, then there is always the eBay route. You can search around for different products to promote. The third way that you can make money with your blog is by getting your name out there as a blogger. You need to make sure that you get your name out there. One way of doing this is by writing articles for websites. You have to make sure that you write articles on a regular basis. The more articles you have online, the more that people will find you. Remember to always link back to your blog. The final way you can make money with your blog is by joining affiliate programs. There are a lot of different affiliate programs that you can sign up for. The key is to join as many as you can. You don't want to limit yourself to just 1 or 2 types of companies. The 3 questions that you have to ask when starting a blog that makes money are easy. The key to making them really go a little bit deeper than that. You want to make sure that you find a niche that you are good at. You also want to make sure that you get your name out there as a blogger. Then you'll be able to find even more places where you can market your blog. Once you have your blog up and running, you want to find ways to monetize it. The most common ways to monetize a blog are through ads and selling products. You can sell advertisement space for your blog, or you can sell products that are related to your blog topic. Selling products through auctions or affiliate programs is a great way to make money from your blog as well. The third and final question is basically just a matter of preference. You have to start marketing and building your readership. As long as you continue to do this, eventually, you'll start to see results from all of your work. Eventually, your blog will start bringing in profits. The 3 questions to ask when starting a blog that makes money are easy. You should always be marketing and promoting your blog even after you start it so that you'll get more visitors and thus, more money. You also need to promote your blog to bring in customers. The more customers you have, the more likely you'll make money from your blog. Thanks for watching my video about the 3 questions to ask when starting a blog that makes money. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.